Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix a fill wall. We are having a problem with the fill wall, and what is happening is it's making a whistling noise like this and the water is coming. Doing that sometimes fixes it and then water comes in, but we have to keep doing this. So that means it's time to change it. It's been almost 5 years. This is the model 300 that we got it with the house when we got it. So now I look in the market, I did not find model 300, but I found a Fluidmaster model 400A, which is easy to install according to them on the website of Home Depot. So each of them costed like 6.95, but if I get the 3-pack Contractor pack, it was getting to 6.19. So I thought I'll just get it because I had to fix two anyways, and I have two other toilets which might break down anytime. So this pack makes more sense. So it's very easy to remove it. I'll be doing that. Let's check it out. So to remove that part, it's called the fill wall. You will need one wire or wrench which is adjustable so that you can remove the part here. And before that, you have to just turn this off and then make sure you flush all the water out. Make sure there's nothing in the tank, and then remove this. This is usually stuck here. You just take it out, and then the next thing is to disconnect this thing. That's how it looks. It's just like a screw. Just remove that, and then you'll see water. Just drain that water out into the tub that you have here, and then the next thing would be to remove that nut over there. You see that? You will need the pliers for that. It's hard to see there. It's a very tight area for me to get in there. So I'm just trying to use the camera. And then once it's closed, it's just removing, and all the water will drain out, the leftover water from the tank. When you do that, it's what is actually happening is all the water that is left over there, it's coming out, and when you move it, it's all particles. It's pretty easy to just remove it. Once all the water is drained out, I can just take it out. That comes out and this comes out. So I tried to clean this, but this thing is not cleanable. It's cheaper to just replace the part. So you will not require this. You just need to, all the parts will be available. So that's how it will look. Just a hole. And let's open the other pack, the new pack. One looks a little bit different. Just a little bit different. It's pretty. And then just put it there. It's height adjustable. We'll need this pipe. So apparently all these are separate parts like that and that. It was not already installed. This is a Contractor part, that's why probably. There is an easy install version in the store. This one is basically simple. You just connect one side here. So one of this work is done. Then the next one is I need to figure out how to get these out and then connect it here. seems like this is rubber, so I don't need to stress too much. It's easily coming out. And then this one, easy. So came out. And this one, let's connect it to like that. Okay, so this one is ready. So what I did is I just ended up cutting this part and then just push it in, and voila, this is ready. So now you can height adjust this how high you want. Do not move this or do not move this. You have to hold here and rotate it. Do not apply too much force. Make sure you are doing this. You can do that also, or here. And you are adjusting the height. You can adjust the flow and height of the water, how much water you want. More water, less water, it says here. It's also written on the box. So next thing would be to put it in there. And the water is being held. And then put it in. It's pretty easy. Very easy to screw with the wing. The older ones did not have the wing nut. With this one you just put it in. Like that. More water. And then we go down. That's where I tightened it, and then I connect this back. When it has wings like this, it's better. It's easier. Just you don't even need the wrench or the pliers. Oh, there's a how-to video also. If you don't want this, you can watch that video. And let's just turn it on and see if everything is okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Maybe it's in the reverse direction. Because it should be filling inside. I did the other one. This thing. That should be inside and the other one should be outside. I put it in the reverse direction. So let's just fix the direction of this. Removing that. There. And now turn it on again. There. Pulling it from the inside. Okay, done. How you do it?